Today I'll show you exactly how to add PHP code to a WordPress page using shortcodes. If you've ever wanted to run custom PHP logic anywhere on your site, maybe outputting a personalized message, displaying custom data, or integrating a unique feature, this method makes it simple, safe, and reusable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own PHP functions, wrap them in a shortcode, and insert them into any page or post, all without needing a ton of development experience. Alright, let's get started right away. First, we need to access the place where our custom PHP logic will live, the functions PHP file. This file acts like the control center for your theme, handling everything from extra features to custom snippets. To get there, look at the WordPress dashboard and head over to Appearance, then click on Theme File Editor. On the right, you'll see a list of theme files, locate functions, PHP, and a quick tip. If you're not using a child theme yet, it's a great practice to switch to one. Editing a child themes file means your changes won't get wiped out during theme updates, which is super important for keeping all your hard work safe. Once you're inside Functions, PHP, it's time to add your PHP function. Think of this function as your own mini program. You define what you want it to do, and it'll execute that logic each time you call it. For this example, let's keep it simple and have it return a friendly message, "Hello world." Here's the code you'll add, PHP. Function my custom logic. Return hello world. Add shortcode custom PHP my custom logic. Let's break down what this actually does. The first part, function my custom logic, sets up the logic that'll run. Right now it just returns hello world, but you can put just about anything here, maybe some dynamic content, a calculation, or even results from your database. The magic happens with add shortcode. This line tells WordPress, hey, whenever you see the shortcode custom PHP in a page or post, run and display the result. A quick word of caution, always be careful when editing functions, PHP. A simple typo can break your site, so make sure to copy and paste carefully. And if you mess up, don't panic. Most hosting providers let you access your files via FTP or a file manager, so you can always undo the change if needed. Once you've saved your file, head over to any page or post editor. Simply type in custom PHP right where you want your PHP to run. Preview or publish the page, and you should see hello world appear just like magic. And remember, this is just the start. You can build far more powerful functions, fetching and displaying WooCommerce products, showing custom fields, or whatever you dream up. If the shortcode output doesn't display as expected, try clearing your cache or double-checking your function's code for mistakes. Sometimes it's just a small missing semicolon or an extra bracket, so take a deep breath and scan through it slowly. And that's it, you've just unlocked the power to add custom PHP anywhere in your WordPress website using shortcodes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for what you'd like to automate with PHP, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy coding.